Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to deposit money in Phantom Wallet. Now, in order to deposit your money into your Phantom Wallet, you need to just select that particular wallet or that particular exchange in which you have some Solana or some USDT, and you can use that wallet and exchange in order to deposit the money into your Phantom Wallet. Now, you can use any of the exchanges or the wallet of your choice, but for the sake of this video, I'm going to use Bitget. So you need to just open your exchange or your wallet and you need to tap on the assets tab in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. Now in case you are using any exchange, so you just have to simply follow the same steps because everything looks similar. Now in the assets tab, you need to first tap on spot and then select the withdraw option. Now here in the search bar, you need to simply search for that particular crypto which you want to deposit in your Phantom Wallet. If you want to deposit USDT, you just have to search for USDT. If you want to deposit Solana, you need to simply search for Solana. Now let's say you want to deposit Solana, so you just have to simply use the search bar and you need to search for Sol. Then you need to tap on Sol icon and it will ask you to select the withdrawal type, so you need to select on chain withdrawal. Now it will redirect you on this page where by default the network will be selected on Solana. So you just have to keep it as it is because for Phantom Wallet you can use Solana network in order to make the deposits happen. Afterwards it will ask you to provide the withdrawal address. So in order to get the address, you need to simply open your Phantom Wallet mobile application. Then on the home page you need to tap on the receive option. After that, you just have to simply tap on the copy option right next to Solana in order to copy the deposit address of Solana. Then you just have to simply come back to this page and paste the address in this section. In the next step, you just have to enter the withdrawal amount. Now for exchanges, the minimum withdrawal amount is set. So you just have to check in your exchange what is the minimum withdrawal amount. In my Bitget account, the minimum withdrawal amount is 0.1 Sol. So you just have to make sure that your transaction meets the criteria. After that, you just have to simply enter the amount and tap on the withdraw option in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. On the next page, you just have to simply confirm the details of your transaction. Make sure that the network is correct and the withdrawal address is also correct. So you just have to simply take a look at these two details. Then if everything is correct, you need to simply confirm the transaction, and once your transaction is completed, you will be able to easily deposit the money into your Phantom Wallet. Now it may take up to 10 minutes, so you just have to be patient until the money reflects in your Phantom Wallet. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. In case you have any questions, you can let me know in the comments and I'm here to help you out with it. Thank you so much for watching.